अखण्डं सच्चिदानन्दम् अवाङ्मनसगोचरम् आत्मानमखिलाधारम् आश्रयेऽभीष्टसिद्धये. Page number 104, topic number 182. श्रवणं नाम षड्विधलिङ्गैः अशेषवेदान्तानाम् अद्वितीयवस्तुनि तात्पर्यावधारणम्. In the previous chapter, the author Sadananda has established Mahavakyam alone is the source of self-knowledge. Mahavakya Vichara alone is the source. There is no other way to get self-knowledge. By Adhyaropa Apavada, he has established that. By Bhagatyaga Lakshanaya. Having established that Mahavakya alone is the source of knowledge, now, how this Mahavakya Jnanam can be attained or acquired? What are the sadhanas? Mahavakyam dwara, how one can attain that Atma Jnanam? He gives sadhanas. What are those sadhanas? He has pointed out Shravanam, Mananam, Nididhyasanam. Shravanam means listening to Shastra. Consistent, systematic study of Vedantic scriptures under a competent, alive teacher for a length of time. This is Paramarthananda Swamiji's definition. What Shastra says here, Shadlinga Vichara, is the Shastra definition. That is modern definition. People easily can understand. But what the Shastra says here, Sampradaya Paddhati, Shravanam Nama. What do you mean by Shravanam? Listening means what? Why it is called Shravanam? Shrotra Indriyam Dwara Shrunoti iti Shravanam. Shrotra Indriyam Dwara. You listen through the Shrotra Indriyam. Shrotra Indriyam. Therefore it is called Shravanam. Shravanam Nama. Shad Vidha Lingaihi. Shat means 6. Vidha means varieties. Varieties of 6 varieties of or 6-fold. Vidha means fold. 6-fold. What? Lingaihi. Linga means clue. Indicator. Lingaihi. Tritiya Bahuvachanam. Lingaihi. By those 6-fold clues in Artham. What you get? Asesha Vedantanam. The entire Vedantic literature. Asesha means the entire, complete. Vedantanam means the end portion of Veda. Vedanta means that Nischaya. Vedanta means not exactly end portion, I said. It is Nischaya. Definite arrival of the definite conclusion is called Vedantam. That is called Vedanta Nischaya. Vedantana. What is there in that Vedantana? Advitiya Vastuni Tatparya Avadharanam. Advitiya Vastu means non-dual entity. Vastu means here entity. Vastu means not other objects here. Vastu means Atma. What type of Atma? Advitiya Atma, non-dual. Dvitiyam na, that which has got second. Na dvitiyam advitiyam, that which does not have second thing. Advitiyam, secondless. That is the Vastu. What is secondless Vastu? Nothing but Atma. So Advitiya Vastuni Tatparya Avadharanam. Tatparya Avadharanam means establishing. Avadharana means establishing, conforming. Establishing or conforming. Tatparyam means central theme. Central theme of all the Upanishads. Vedantana means of all the Upanishads. Tatparya means central theme. Central theme of all the Upanishads. Vedantana Upanishad ani kuda artham. The central theme of all the Upanishads is non-dual Atma. So, with the help of 6 clues, one has to understand Avadharanam, and one has to establish in that knowledge which is secondless. That is Atma. Through the 6 clues. That is called Shravanam. I also went to that person who is teaching Bhagavad Gita. Here also I went, I heard 2nd chapter there, 3rd chapter here. Are they teaching with this 6 clues? And you have to see. Whoever teach with these 6 clues, they are called Sampradaya, with traditional teacher. Many people teach, but they do not know they have 6 lingams in it. Shadlingas, what are the Shadlingas? Ellar Bhagavad Gita teach Pannuva. But Ananu Shadlingam theriyadu. Shadlingame theriyala, Shadlingam pati eppudu teach panna mudiyum, adu eppudu shravanam aaga mudiyum, adu eppudu teaching aaga mudiyum. That's why many people don't get Atma Jnana. Puriyarada? Janma janmasa padicha kuda, without proper method, you can never get Atma Jnana. If you study with the proper understanding, paddhati, with Shadlingas, at least 2 decades, you can own up. Aham Brahmasmi. Swami, a long time. Already 10 years over. 12 years over. Okay, 8 more years if you get knowledge. We are not attending from past 12 years. Listen to the cassettes. You have to compensate. Some students are listening 10 cassettes per week. And one student taking 15 cassettes. You have to complete. After that, you can pick up the whole subject. Okay, every class, a teacher cannot start with alphabets. Okay, new students are go on coming. If she goes to again back to that alphabets, Eppa Mudium Brahma Sutra, then a teacher cannot come back. That's why extra 1 or 2 places, beginning classes, Bhagavad Gita, 1st chapter 1 place, 2nd chapter, 6th chapter 1 place, and the மாதிரி போயிண்டே இருக்கும் Bhagavad Gita, 11th chapter, middle. That's why students have to attend all the classes. எங்கெங்க மிஸ் ஆயிட்டோமோ, we have to attend like that. then you can cover the whole thing. Shravanam. Okay. That is up to here we saw in the last class. So this is the Shadlingaihi Avadharanam. So Vichara means Shravana Manana Nididhyasanam. The Pramanam definition they give. Prama Karanam Pramanam. Shastram is Pramanam through which you get knowledge. What is the Pramanam definition? Shabda Pramanam definition is what? Anadhigata Abhadhita Ardhabodhakatvam Pramanam. This is the definition. Anadhigata means inaccessible to any other Pramanam. Adhigata means accessible, can be understood by any Pramanam. Pramanam means what? Again, eyes, ears, nose, these are all called Pramanam. Instruments through which you get knowledge is called Pramanam. Prama means knowledge, through which instrument you get knowledge, that is Pramanam. This is Pramanam. Why? Gives Prama. Gives Prama. Prama means knowledge. Therefore it is called Pramanam. So Mahavakyam, Tattvamasi Mahavakyam gives knowledge, Shabdam. Therefore it is called Pramanam. Veda is Pramanam. Why? Aham Brahmasmi Atma Jnanam Dadati. That is called, it is Pramanam. Anadhigata. Shastra alone gives that Atma Jnanam, not by any other Pramanam. It's not accessible to your eyes, ears, through any sense organ. Anadhigatam. Abadhitam. By getting which knowledge? Aham Brahma Asmi is a knowledge unnegatable. Abadhitam. Abadhitam. Badhita means negatable. Once I recognize Aham Brahma Asmi, after some time you say, now I am not Brahman and solla mudiyadhu. That's why abadhitam, unnegatable, inaccessible to other pramanams, anadhigatam, abadhitam, unnegatable, artha bodhakatvam, artha means prayojanam, phalam, that which teach that prayojanam, samsara nivritti prayojanam, artha bodhakatvam. That prayojanam is there. Any pramanam has got prayojanam. So unnegatable. Whatever eyes sees this is black, no one can disprove. Ears cannot come and disprove or prove or negate. Isn't it? Because eyes are pramanam to know the colors. When ears listen the sound, eyes cannot interfere in that sound. Why? Eyes have no capacity to enter in the field of sound. So these eyes cannot prove or disprove or negate the sound heard by the ears. Knowledge is that by which other pramanam cannot enter into its field. Rupam, colors and forms, eyes only, pramanam. No other pramanam can enter in its field. Nanda Raja. And the pramanam da and the field ki Raja. Innuru pramanam pai adla enter aha mudiyada, aha kodad. Similarly, Shabda pramanam, Aham Brahmasmi topic comes, its pramanam is only Shastra. When Shastra is talking, the eyes should not enter there. Ears should not enter there in that pramanam to prove or disprove or to negate. Ada anadhigata abadhitam. Any pramanam. Artha bodhakam. It gives its prayojanam. So, Mahavakya field la Shastrandra pramanam. No other pramanam can prove or disprove or negate. Even science cannot enter in this field. Therefore, no one should dare to enter in the field of Shastra, because in the Mahavakya, Tattvamasi, Dwara Atma Jnanam possible only by Shastra. Yesterday, one person is telling, some practice he went, they said, you get within, I am going to give power energy, you will be realized. Self-realization here itself will come. Totally commercial, and they are telling self-realization you will get. You got self-realization, and how he knows this person got self-realization? Konja padichavana, konja discrimination irukku. Then he understood this is fully bluff. And already he has spent a lot of money. They are charging so much for self-realization. And the power energy is something they are showing and they are trying to give. That is another type of yoga practice. All corporate people, highly educated people, lakhs and lakhs of their earning, crowd, heavy crowd. உனக்கு செல்ஃப் ரியலைசேஷன் வந்தது எனக்கு வந்தது உனக்கு வந்தது என்ன யாருக்கு வரலன்னு அர்த்தம் enamored by these tactics and all, people, they are losing the whole thing. And finally comes his lot of confusions. With full of confusions he came finally. What to do? The Shastram field, no one should enter about the self-realization. So first of all, they do not know what is self-realization. That's the problem. All perverted minds, all perverted minds become the preachers. They are not teachers, they are preachers. And perverted person teach what? Perversion. All people are perverted. Therefore, Shastra alone is the pramanam. Artha bodhakatvam pramanam. So, prayojanam must be there. That is called pramanam. Next topic we will read. So, arriving at the central theme of the Upanishad with the help of six-fold clues. Let us see what are the 6 clues. 183. Lingani tu Upakramopasamhara Abhyasa apurvatam Phalarthavadopapattihi Akhyani Lingani tu. Lingani means the clues are these. Number 1 is Upakrama Upasamhara. Upakrama means beginning. Upasamhara means end or conclusion. Upakrama Upasamhara means beginning and end is the one clue you have to apply when you are doing enquiry into Mahavakya. Upakrama means beginning and end. That he is going to elaborate. Just he is mentioning the names here. Number 1, Upakrama Upasamhara. Number 2, Abhyasa. Abhyasa means repetition. Repetition. Then number 3, Apurvata. Apurvata means novelty, uniqueness. Rareness. Number 4, phalam. Phalam means the benefit, prayojanam. 4th clue. 5th clue is arthavadaha, glorification. Arthavadaha. Number 6, upapatti. Arthavadopapatti is there. It is Dvandva Samasa. Ardhavadascha upapattischa arthavadopapattau. Arthavadopapatti. Akhyani means they are called as, named as. Akhyani. Upapatti means reasoning, logical reasoning. Reasoning. Further, there is a shloka also. That shloka only he mentions here. In this 184, whatever I said is not my invention, the author says. It is already Sampradaya, it is there in the Shastra. We'll read that shloka. Taduktam upakramopasamharo abhyaso purvata phalam arthavadopapatti cha lingam tatparya nirnaye. Prose form படிச்சு ஸ்லோக ஃபார்ம் வரமாட்டேங்கிறது. உபக்ரமோபசம்ஹாரௌ அப்யாசோ பூர்வதா பலம் அர்த்தவாதோபபத்தி ச லிங்கம் தாத்பர்ய நிர்ணயே. இப்படி படிக்கணும். All are in sloka form so that easily you can by heart and remember. Same thing he has pointed out. Upapatti, lingam, tatparya nirnaye. Why all these clues? Tatparya nirnaye. To establish the central theme of the Upanishads. Vedantanam tatparya nirnaye. Not Ramayana Mahabharatam. Okay. Vedantanam tatparya nirnayam. What the teacher is teaching, as first students to understand, it takes a lot of time. ஏதோ சன்னியாசினி பாவம் நல்ல விஷயங்கள் எல்லாம் சொல்றாங்க, சத்சங்கம் வந்து people come. Really the teacher wants to teach Mahavakya to give Atma Jnanam for mumukshus. இது புரிஞ்சு வைக்கிறதுக்கே 10 வருஷம் ஆயிடும் அந்த டீச்சருக்கு. When I was teaching in the beginning, people used to come and ask me, கொஞ்சம் விஷ்ணு சஹஸ்ரநாமம் சொல்லுங்க, கொஞ்சம் முகுந்த மாலா சொல்லுங்க, ப்ளீஸ் டீச் மீ முகுந்த மாலா, கேன் யூ டீச், கொஞ்சம் நாராயணியம் சொல்லுங்க. They ask in this manner. Whatever the teacher is sitting, what people ask, I have to teach. That's why there are teachers, they decide what they want to teach in what subject. அவங்களுக்கு மனசுல இருக்கும். There are people who are going to teach Mukundamala, Narayaniyam, Vishnu Sahasranam, அது வேறு. But there are some teachers, they purposefully decide to teach this only. அதனால ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் மெனி பீப்புள் கம், படி ஏரியால பாவம் வந்து உட்காருவான், ஏதோ நினைச்சு வருவான், அப்புறம் ஏதோ பேசுறா சுவாமின்னு போயிடுவான். I have seen many people like that. They do not know what classes are going on. The real mumukshus are very rare now. Okay, மனுஷ்யானாம் சஹஸ்ரேஷு. அர்ஜுனனுக்கு ஒரே ஸ்டூடெண்ட், எனக்கு நிறைய ஸ்டூடெண்ட் இருக்கு. அது வேதாந்தத்துக்கு ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் கிடைக்கிறது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். Next topic we will read. Now he is going to give one topic, one lingam he is going to talk. Prakarana pratipadyasya arthasya tadadyantayoho upapadanam upakramopasamharo yatha chandogye षष्ठाध्याये प्रकरण प्रतिपाद्यस्य अद्वितीय वस्तुनः एकमेवाद्वितीयम् इत्यादौ ऐतदात्म्यमिदगं सर्वम् इत्यन्ते च प्रतिपादनम्. What do you mean by upakrama upasamhara? For example, news, when you listen, first they give headlines. And after that brief news they give, then do vistaraha, elaboration. After elaboration over, again last conclusion, same news, briefing. No? Very briefly again they do that in the news readers. No? Similarly, any book if you read, in the beginning they introduce the topic. In the text they introduce the topic. And conclusion also again they remind the topic. Lord Krishna does in 2nd chapter Bhagavad Gita Upakrama. 18th chapter Upasamhara. Atma is the topic. Subject matter is Atma. He has introduced. 18th chapter he has concluded that Atma alone is the Upasamhara. What is the subject matter of Bhagavad Gita? Atma. Brahma Vidya. Similarly, even any other text also you take, they first write the subject matter in the beginning, Upakrama. This I am going to elaborate. He elaborates in the in-between. And again he concludes last the same idea. That is called Upakramam, beginning and end. Now see that in Upanishads, or a sample author is giving, Chandogya Upanishad. Prakarana pratipadyasya arthasya. Prakarana means the subject. What is the text? Prakarana means the text here, which is going to be taught. Pratipadyasya arthasya. Which is going to be taught through the text. Prakarana pratipadyasya arthasya. Which is going to be taught in that through this text. Pratipadyasya arthasya. Tad adyantayoho upapadanam. Adi means beginning. Anta means end. Adi antayoho. Of that text, beginning and end of that text. Adi antayoho means beginning of that, beginning and end of that text. Which text? Which is going to be taught. Adi antayoho. Upapadanam means establishing, presentation. Upapadanam means presentation. Or pratipadanam also you can say, upapadanam or pratipadanam. Adyantayoho upapadanam, presentation of that text in the beginning and the end. This presentation is called Upakrama Upasamharau. Presentation of the beginning and the end, both are one and the same. That is called Upakrama and Upasamhara. Which is going to be taught through the text. They mention what is going to be taught through the Upanishad? Atma Vidya. So in Adi, the Upanishad has to mention, I am going to, any mantra, chapter beginning also, this is the subject matter I am going to teach you. Physics teacher, when he comes to the class, he should not talk something else. Physics pays support. So the subject he has to introduce. Adi. Anta also, while he is going, he has to whole thing he has to wind up, no? And the whole points, all points he has to say, and he has to go. Conclusion. Anta. Adi antayoho. The Prakarana Grandhasya Adi anta. Once they bring into the presentation, Pratipadanam is called Upakrama Upasamhara. Avladha. Yatha, just as. Like Chandogya Upanishad. In that Chandogya Upanishad, there are so many chapters. 8 chapters are there. 6th chapter, Shashtadhyaye. Shashtha means 6th. Adhyaya means chapter. Prakarana Pratipadyasya Advyatiya Vastunaha. Prakarana Pratipadya means, I said, that which is going to be taught through this text. In the 6th chapter, Sadvidya, that text which is the subject matter is what? Advitiya Vastu. Atma, which is secondless, that Vastu, Pratipadyasya. Upakrama, what it has presented in 6th chapter, Ekameva Dvitiyam. Adi Upakrama. Atma is Ekam. Eva, it is one only. Ekam Eva Atma. Advitiyam, secondless. This is the starting point. Upakrama. And the 6th chapter, how it has been ended. Iti Adau. Adi Adau. Ekameva Advitiyam Adau in the beginning. Upakrama. Upasamhara. Aitadatmyam idagum sarvam. That Atma which is one secondless alone is this whole universe. Upasamhara. What I have introduced to you in the Upakrama beginning, that alone is Aitad, Etad, Atma, Idagum Sarvam. The whole entire universe is pervaded by that Atma alone, Upasamhara. That is called conclusion. Etadatmanaha bhavaha aitadatmyam. Aitadatmyam idagum sarvam. Entire universe. Iti antecha pratipadanam. Care of 6th chapter. Chandogya Upanishad. Once upon a time, 1.5 years back, we have done that chapter. Ityadav. Andukani all Upanishads we have to listen. Inna vidindi cassette ella panni em vekkiravonna chumma. You are not thorough in that other Upanishads. This Varta is irrelevant. Aitadatmyam idagam sarvam. Tat satyam tattvamasi Shvetaketo. That is satyam. You are that. Ekameva advitiyam brahma upakrama. The entire universe is nothing but Atma. That Atma you are. Over teaching. Teaching over Swamini namakku onnum puriyaliyenna. Time ahum. It will take time. This is called Upakrama Upasamhara. 6th chapter, 2nd section, 1st mantra is Upakrama. Now you see in between how many sections over? 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th section lo 7th mantra Upasamhara. Now in between other lingams comes. The Upakrama Upasamhara, he has given the mantra numbers. In between other clues are going to come. That clue we'll read now. Second one. What is the second one? Abhyasaha. That he is going to give here. Prakarana Pratipadyasya Vastunaha Tanmadhye Paunah Punyena Pratipadanam Abhyasaha यथा तत्रैव अद्वितीय वस्तुनि मध्ये तत्त्वमसीति नवकृत्वः प्रतिपादनम्. சங்கீத அபியாசம், டான்ஸ் அபியாசம் சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, ரிப்பீட்டட்லி டூயிங். அதே தான் அரைச்சினமாவே அரைக்கிறது. தமிழ்ல சொல்லணுமான்னா அரைச்சினமாவே அரைக்கிறது. எதுக்கு சுவாமி நீங்க சொல்லிந்தே சொல்லலன்னு? நான் சொல்லல, சாஸ்திரம் அப்படி சொல்லிட்டு இருக்க. திருப்பி திருப்பி சொல்ல வேண்டியதுதான். புனக புனக பௌன புண்ணியேன, புண்ணியம் இல்லை புண்ணியேன, புனக ஏன புண்ணியேன பிரகரண பிரதிபாத்யஸ்ய. சேம் மீனிங். பிரகரண பிரதிபாதனம் which is going to be taught through this text. பிரகரணம் text. Pratipadana means going to be presented, going to be taught. That vastunaha, that entity, the subject matter. Vastunaha. Chunna nilyo, Puja Swamiji Dayananda Saraswati always use that name to the Atma, Vastu. நமக்கு வஸ்து என்ன, செயினு பேங்கிள் இதெல்லாம் ஞாபகம் வரும். அவருக்கு வஸ்து என்ன, ஆத்மா தான். அழகான பேர். வசதி இது வஸ்து. ஆத்மா இஸ் தட் which is everywhere, abiding in everything. வஸ்து. Anatma is avastu. Atma is vastu. Everything is avastu. Here vastunaha, of that Atma, vastunaha. Tanmadhye, in the middle, which is going to be taught through the text. Tanmadhye means in that text, in between an artham. Madhyanna, between 6th chapter 2nd section and 6th chapter 8th section. Okay, he is taking the model here. In between that. Punaha paunah punyena. Punaha punaha pratipadanam anartham. Again and again, repeatedly. Repetition. Pratipadanam, presentation. Pratipadanam, abhyasaha. Repeatedly uttering a word again and again, that is abhyasa, that is the clue what is the subject matter. How you should know what is the subject matter? Whatever is repeatedly they are telling, that is most important. Just as when our children are going to exam, to write exam, what mother says, hall ticket eduthiya, hall ticket eduthiya, you have taken hall ticket. Why she is asking so many times? One time pohado. Yesterday itself she said, right, first keep hall ticket, don't forget. After getting up, hall ticket vechite bag lo vechite போகும்போது ஹால் டிக்கெட் இருக்க எத்தனை வாட்டி என்ன ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட்னு அர்த்தம். புரியுறதா? ஹால் டிக்கெட் வை மதர் இஸ் ரிப்பீட்டிங் பிகாஸ் ஹால் டிக்கெட் இல்லைன்னா அங்கே வெளியில் அனுப்புவா. இவ்வளோ படிச்சுட்டு வருஷ கணக்குனா ஹால் டிக்கெட் எடுக்காமல் எப்போன்னு என்ன ஆயிடுவாங்க, கோ அவுட்னு சொல்லுவா. தட் இஸ் வை மோஸ்ட் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் திங் இஸ் ஹால் டிக்கெட். அது மாதிரி here also punaha repeatedly Upanishad is telling something. What is that? How many times? Repeatedly 9 times. Navakrutvaha yatha tatra eva advitiya vastuni madhye tattvamasi navakrutvaha. So just as Tatra eva, Tatra and that 6th chapter itself, between those sections, Tatra eva Advitiya Vastuni, that Atma Vastuni, regarding that Atma Vastu, Madhye, between that portion, what came? Tattvamasi. Tattvamasi. Hey Shvetaketo, Uddalaka father is telling to his son, Hey Shvetaketo, or Ketu Varna. கேதுவா உட்காரு. என்னென்ன This boy asked, Guru asked, father asked his son, have you asked your teacher by knowing which everything is known? Uddalaka, father asked his son, Shvetaketu, have you asked your teacher by knowing which everything is known? By knowing which everything is known, then this boy said to Shvetaketu, no, I didn't ask because if my teacher knows that, he would have taught me. That's why he has not taught that subject matter. By knowing which everything is known. Then father says, don't say like that. He knows. If you don't ask, he will not teach you. Then Shvetaketu asked, is there something by knowing which everything is known? Yes. What is that? Brahma. Where is it? Lavana Drishtantena, he says. That Lavana Drishtantam he gives. That you are, Tattvamasi Shvetaketu. Gold example, wood example, pot clay example. So many examples he gives. 9 times Navakritvaha. 9 times. Kritvaha means times and artham. Number of times. Nava means 9. 9 times he said Tattvamasi. Tattvamasi. Every example ke Tattvamasi Shvetaketu. Tattvamasi Shvetaketu. Oru vaate, rendu vaate. 9 times. Abhyasa. That means that ఏది తత్వమసి 9 times చొన్నాను అదిదా ముఖ్యం తాత్పర్యం. That is only తాత్పర్యం. Other figurative expressions, spashtalinga vakyani, aspashtalinga vakyani, there are number of vakyams in Upanishads. Some of them are very clear, some of them are very, very vague. And the vague irukkiradhu they will mislead us. Which are vague, not spashtam, they mislead us and they take away us from the subject matter. That's why Dvaita philosophy, Visishtadvaita philosophy, all of them they came because of this wrong interpretation. In the clues sariya purinjikalanna, they also study the same mantra and they interpret in a different way and write commentaries. And you will never get moksha in this janma. That's all. Dvaita Visishtadvaita established like that. But whereas Shvetaketu father says, you are that, that Aitadatmam idagam sarvam tat satyam Shvetaketu. You are the Shvetaketu is that Atma, body, mind, complex, vilakshanaha. Navakrit. Abhyasana ide? Navakritvaha. Pratipadanam, repetition. This is called underlining and artham. With green, red ink you underline, no? Why you underline? Important. Yedi underline. Abhyasana, nothing but underlining, marking. So we have to underline. Yedo padichi. Panchajanyam Rishikesham. Devadattam Dhananjaya. Somebody asked, Ghatotkajudu yokka shankam peru enna anna. Bhagavad Gita ella padichi, somebody asked Swamiji, Ghatotkajudu peru enna anna. Ghatotkajudu shankam peru enna. Adu edukku unakku? Ennada vedamanna purinchika vendiya vishayam purinchukonoppa. There are so many figurative expressions. Yeah, appadi sonna ippadi sonna. No taatparyam. We are not interested in that. You see the websites, other religions, they are just blaming our statements of Upanishads in everywhere because they never see the Tatparyam. They want to carry away by unnecessary figurative expressions. I am not interested. How long Mahabharata Yuddha took place, how Arjuna got teaching from Krishna in battlefield. Idella edukku unaku vambu. அர்ஜுனன் என்ன சொன்னாரதான் விஷயம் இல்லையோ. டைம் வேஸ்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு எத்தனவோ பண்ணலாம் இல்லையா. புரிஞ்சுக்கணும்னு இஷ்டம் இல்லைன்னா யூ கேன் டைவர்ட் யுவர் செல்ஃப் சோ மெனி வேஸ். சில பேர் அப்படிதான் இந்த சுவாமினி எப்படி இருப்பான்னு பார்க்கறதுக்கே வருவான். எப்படி பேசுவான்னு பார்க்கறதுக்கு வருவான். டீச்சர்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்காரு பார்க்கறதுக்காக நிறைய பேர் போவான். They are not interested. The real mumukshus, they are not interested. And some people are interested in language. Some people are interested in that, the kada, small jokes. அப்பா அந்த டீச்சர் ரொம்ப நல்ல ஜோக்ஸ் சொல்லுவா. எதுக்கப்பா ஜோக்ஸ்? They are carried away by jokes. Some people are carried away by language. Some people are carried away by the paraphernalia. Some people are carried away by the crowd. அத்தனை பேர் வராங்க சுவாமி, சாமான்யமா என்ன பண்றது? என்ன பண்றது அவங்க? These are all our obstacles in the mind. உனக்கு திங்க் பண்றதுக்கு புத்தி கிடையாது, இதனால கேரி அவே பை so many things. புத்தி இருந்தா இதெல்லாம் யோசிக்கணும் வருமா? You know who is what right teacher. Immediately you decide. இங்க இல்ல ஸ்டஃப் இல்ல, என்ன பண்றது? அந்த ஸ்டஃப் இல்லாத ஆளு நமக்கு வேண்டாப்பா, வரவே வேண்டாம். That's why teacher knows who will continue. கொஞ்சம் திங்கிங் பீப்புள் தான் will continue. நான் திங்கிங் பீப்புள் will not continue. தத்துவமசி தத்துவமசி தத்துவம், இதுதான் அபியாசம். நெக்ஸ்ட் டாபிக். மத்தியன்னா in the middle of the dialogue, அது படிச்சுக்கணும். ஓகே, in the middle of ஸ்வேதகேது உத்தாலக dialogue. Atma alone is the substance. I alone am the Atma. You are that Atma, Tattvamasi. Svetaketu has to say what? Yes, Appa, நான் தான் பிரம்மன் சொல்லணும் வேண்டாம், சொல்லிட்டான். Finally, Svetaketu has got knowledge. Like my students. உங்களுக்கே வரும்போது ஸ்வேதகேதுக்கு வராதா? உத்தாலக டீச்சர் சொல்லும் போது. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் டாபிக் 187. Third clue. How many clues over? 2 over. What are they? உபக்ரம உபசம்ஹார. அது ரெண்டு சேர்த்து ஒரு clue. உபக்ரம ஒன்று உபசம்ஹாரம் ஒன்று சொல்லக்கூடாது, அப்படி 7 ஆயிடும். இது அபியாசம் ஓவர். நவ் third one, அபூர்வதா. பிரகரண பிரதிபாத்யஸ்ய அத்விதீய வஸ்துனஹ பிரமாணாந்தர அவிஷயீகரணம் அபூர்வதா யதா தத்ரைவ அத்விதீய வஸ்துனஹ மானாந்தர அவிஷயீகரணம் prakarana pratipadyasya, that which is going to be taught through this text. Prakaranam pratipadanam. What is that pratipadana vastu? Advitiya vastunah, the secondless Atma. Pramanantara avishayikaranam. Pramanantaram means anyaha pramanam pramanantaram. Pramanam means instrument of knowledge. By another instrument of knowledge, that which you cannot know is apurvata, uniqueness. Atma cannot be known by any other pramanam. Pramanantara avishayikaranam. You cannot objectify. Vishayama purinjika mudiyadu. Avishayikaranam. By another pramanam, it is அவிஷயீகரணம். விஷயமா ஆக முடியாது. கண்ணுக்கு ஆத்மா விஷயம் ஆக முடியாது, காதுக்கு ஆத்மா விஷயம் ஆக முடியாது. கண்ணுக்கு விஷயம் என்னன்னா மைக்கு, கிளிப்பு, ஃப்ளவரு, டிஸ்கு, ஃபேனு விஷயம். காதுக்கு என்ன விஷயம்? பாம்பு, பட்டாசு. அந்த பட்டாசு தான் விஷயம் இருந்த காதுக்கு. அது மாதிரி அந்நிய பிரமாணத்துக்கு இந்த பிரமாணங்களுக்கு எல்லாமே ஆத்மா விஷயம் ஆக முடியாது, சப்ஜெக்ட் மேட்டர் ஆக முடியாது. ஒரே ஒரு பிரமாணத்துக்கு தான் சப்ஜெக்ட் மேட்டர் ஆக முடியும். அதுதான் சாஸ்திர பிரமாணம். யுனிக். அது யுனிக், நாவெல்டி, யுனிக் மேட்டர், வெரி வெரி ரேர் pramanam, that is called apurvata, uniqueness. That is the indication by which pramanam alone it can be known, by other pramanam it cannot be known. Apurvata. It is not discussed anywhere. Which is not visible. Apurvama irukke. Apurvam purvam paakala nardam. Na purvam drushtam iti apurvam. Munnadi atma theriyum un class varadhukku munnadi. Apurvama purvama purvama. Swamini na munnadi atman paatittu vande anna. அபூர்வமான வஸ்து பற்றி பேசுகிறோம். இப்போ எது தெரியாதோ முன்னாடி அதுதான் அபூர்வம். ஸோ வேதாந்த உபனிஷத் சப்ஜெக்ட் மேட்டர் இஸ் அபூர்வ விஷயம், which we do not know earlier. That is the apurva vishayam, which is not accessible to another pramanams. Therefore, there is no possibility for you to say, what? Before coming to Shastra, ஐசா சுவாமினி ஆத்மான்னா அப்போ அபூர்வத்தம் ஆக முடியாது. இட் இஸ் நாட் அபூர்வா, யூனிக். தட்ஸ் வை ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் ஆல் ஸ்பெல் பவுண்ட் வென் தே ஆர் லிசனிங் அபவுட் ஆத்மா. ஏன்னா யூனிக் டாபிக். எல்லாரும் கதையா என்னென்னமோ சீரியல் பற்றி பேசுகிறான். பீப்புள் ஆர் டாக்கிங் சோ மெனி திங்ஸ், பட் ஆத்மா பற்றி பேசுகிறோன்னு யாருமே இல்லை. आश्चर्यो वक्ता कुशलोश्च लब्धा, आश्चर्यो ज्ञाता कुशलानुशिष्टः. Who is talking about Atma? Tell me. In fingertips you can count. Nobody is talking. Very rarely 1 or 2 people talking. How many people are listening? 5 to 6 people are listening. Or 10 people. Sariya purinjikkirathu. Very rare. Adu apurvata. Unique subject matter. That uniqueness you can see in these topics. No? Upanishad, when he is talking, unique subject matter, Atma. That's why Atma Shastra has not come to talk about what? There are 5 elements, you know. There are 5, 6 sense organs, 10 sense organs. Shastra is not interested in that. What is pratyaksham, anumanam, upamanam, mulama, what is available, you Shastra need not talk. If it is available to your eyes, Shastra need not come and talk, which is not available to your pratyaksham. By your sense perception it is not available, therefore it is unique. By your inference also it is not available, therefore it is unique. By examples also it is not available. Comparison also. ஆத்மா எப்படி இருக்குன்னா 3 மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஆத்மா எப்படி இருக்கோப்பா, இப்படி இருக்குன்னு சொல்ல முடியுமா உபமானம் துவாரா? முடியாது. Therefore any perception, any pramana won't work. Pratyaksha pramanam, anumana pramanam, upamana pramanam, arthapatti pramanam வரவே வராது. Therefore says Pratipadyasya pramanantaram, it is non-availability to the other instruments including science. Why? Science also presenting the things through the data. Data it can acquire through the sense organs. Sense organs are already ruled out. Okay? They cannot disprove. A scientist cannot prove the Atma, he cannot disprove the Atma, he cannot negate the Atma. Don't enter into our field. Yesterday that person is telling, Swami, scientifically they are proving. Scientific energy, that is scientific. Atma is beyond science. It cannot enter. Science cannot enter in the field of Atma. This is unique subject. So Upanishad teaching is not, which is not verifiable through the eyes. Even not verifiable through the meditation. அப்போ சுவாமினி ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டு சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கான், நான் வீட்டுக்கு போய் மெடிடேஷன் பண்ணி ஐ ஆம் கோயிங் டு கெட் தட் ஆத்மான்னா. யூ கேனாட் வெரிஃபை திஸ் ஆத்மா த்ரூ த மெடிடேஷன், சமாதி. Then what to do? Come again next class. Repeatedly listen. again shravanam, repeated shravanam பண்ணாதான் வரும். சுவாமி ஒரு சிரவணம் போகாதா, பத்தாது. Until you get confirmed knowledge, fact, you have to listen. வேற வழி கிடையாது. How long to listen? Until you get conviction. So teacher, go on teaching. Continuously teaching. As long as she or he can teach, they teach. அவங்களுக்கு தெரியும் எவ்வளவு கஷ்டம்னு தெரியும். ஏன்னா டீச்சர் ஹாப்பிலி 25 years 30 years டீச் பண்ணிட்டே இருப்பான். ஏன்னா புது புது ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வந்துட்டு இருக்காரு. அது மாதிரி therefore he says pramanantara avashayikaranam apurvata yatha tatraiva advitiya vastunaha manantara avashayikaranam. Tatraiva means advitiya vastuni, in that same subject matter. Manantara and pramanantara வேறே பிரமாணம் விஷயம் ஆக முடியாது. What father said to Swetaketu, he asked the Swetaketu to put the salt in the water. He put the salt in the water, the water became fully salty. Now father asked, now tell me, where is this salt? Salt is totally merged in the water. Then how to top water? You taste the water at the top with a straw. Okay. எப்படி இருக்கு? Salt. Down, taste, salt. Right side water, salt. Left side water, salt. Whole thing, salt. What pramanam he used? Tongue. Taste, rasanendriyam, not eyes. Through the eyes can he? Through the ears, எவ்வளவு சால்ட் இருக்குன்னு கேட்க முடியுமா? சால்ட் பார்க்க முடியுமா? Only rasanendriyam. These indriyams cannot enter into that field. Rasanendriyam dwara, everything is salt. Where is salt? Everywhere salt. Similarly, you cannot see the Brahman. You can see the Brahman which is pervading as Chaitanyam, existent principle in the whole creation. How? What is the pramana? Anga tongue pramanam. Inge only nakkare nanu Brahman kochu ange irukena. Adu nakka mudiyadappa. Water madri, salt water madri purinjukanum. You have to understand by subtle mind. Repeatedly listen. Don't sit in meditation. Okay. Listen cassettes, write notes to see the text, attend the class, listen from the teacher, you can get that knowledge. Why another pramana cannot enter? It is incapable of proving that it is salt or not salt. Similarly, Atma, Aham Brahmasmi only is available by Shastra Pramanam alone. Pramana Antaram is not there. Therefore, it is unique subject matter. Apurvata. Mood Pramanam. இப்போ 3 லிங்கம் ஓவர். இன்னும் எத்தனை லிங்கம் இருக்கு? இன்னும் 3 பாக்கி இருக்கு. நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்ல பார்ப்போம். பூர்ணமதః பூர்ணமிதம் பூர்ணாத் பூர்ணமுதச்யதே பூர்ணஸ்ய பூர்ணமாதாய பூர்ணமேவாவசிஷ்யதே. ஓம் சாந்தி சாந்தி சாந்தி. ஹரிஹி ஓம். ஸ்ரீ குருப்யோ நமஹ. ஹரிஹி ஓம்.